Expanding the video. Should we start with charts?
Yeah, let's start with the date. So right now it is Tuesday at 7 p.m. California time, and we're looking at Wednesday week 2 options for the S&P 500. The market right now is up $1, and just about everything is pretty much unchanged. From oil, even though oil did make it to $70 today, overnight it's only up 20 cents, trading at 70.33. Food prices are pretty flat. Currency is pretty flat. Treasury bonds also unchanged. So, with all that being said, it looks like boring right now.
Let's just walk through this. Here's Treasury bonds. They're unchanged. If you can see equities, they're pretty flat. Here's the currency. Financial currency is flat. Our commodity-based currency flat. Let's take a look at the commodity. Okay. This is our weekly commodity, so not a big range. Let's switch to daily.
Pretty quiet across the board. I'm not seeing really anything.
Yes. Okay, so let's go back to the...
Looking at the S&P, it looks like what's our straddle value for tomorrow?
So do we want to look at the daily or 4-hour period?
Well, I'm just looking at the daily and 4 hour. It looks very sideways.
So daily will look like 4250, 4170. Our two standard deviations. On 4 hours, 4240, 4205, rounding up to standard deviations. So let's take a look, 4240, 4205.
05 and 45.
05 and 45.
I think that's your
Yeah,
best.
05 and 45, right? Okay.
23.
Why don't we do even 45? Because, well, we can do 05, 45. We're gaining 60 cents.
Okay, 05 and 45. If anything, it looks like we could drift higher tomorrow.
You think?
Just
okay, that's why we're doing 45 instead of 40.
Yeah, 05, 45. Let's start with that, and then we would be then adding on the 45 versus
if we go
85
up.
In the event we go up.
And if we
think it's going to trip,
we're going to do...
Hey,
it just looks just the way everything's flat and nothing's happening, and there's no news. Yes?
If you think it's going to drift up, should we do the 4210 and 4250?
No, just do 05 and 45, because who knows? Nobody knows.
Well, you see, because we think that we're still overvalued, there is a big chance that we're going to break down, and 4210 is too aggressive. If we do 05 even, then next support is 76, and then after that, we're dropping to 70.
Okay.
So that's a lot to defend. And if we look at the weekly, we have 4130s. So yeah, 30 to 40. No, about 20 to 30. So at least we can defend that. So don't forget, we still have downside risk.
Yeah, I mean, when the market eventually breaks, it's going to break hard. And, any day that can happen. But it just keeps drifting higher just because there's nothing going on. And there's no real news pushing it. So anyway, let's start with this. See what we can fill that.
So this is our...
So this is the 4205 call versus 4245 put. So 4205, 45 gut. And we're going to try to sell it. Sold one leg already at 20 and a quarter, and sold the other one at 24 and a quarter.
So we got $4.50.
We got $4.50 over.
We're working on it.
Okay.
You got 20 and a quarter.
20 and a quarter and 24 and a quarter.
So here's my field screen. So 20, okay, 42.45 put. That was executed 20 and a quarter. 42.05 called, 24 and a quarter.
Okay. I got 20 and a quarter and 24.50.
Good.
Hey,
Okay, so good. So you got
awesome.
475. All right, that's it. Let's keep an eye on things, and we will make adjustments at 45 and 05.
So tomorrow at tomorrow morning.
6:30 a.m. we will do our next check-in.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to send you the image, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Great. Talk to you later. Bye.
Okay.